Hola, Afro-Cuban dancer. This day is going to be very special. This is the day that we are going to become aware of the space. Not only the dancing, but the space itself. We are going to represent and embody the Orisha Eleggua by drawing the four corners or the four paths or the four roads, however you want to interpret it and call it. Therefore, what is going to happen here is that we are going to step forward to the front. Then we're going to step backwards. Then you're going to go to the right. And then you go to the left. Yes, understanding the space that we have a front, a back, a right, and a left. Afterwards, we're going to work diagonally to understand our diagonals, the direction that we are going into. So we go diagonal up, diagonal down, left, diagonal up, right, diagonal down, left. This is what is going to happen today. And afterwards, I'm going to ask you to do something very, very, very interesting. See? Don't be afraid. It's going to be fun. So, we have 2 times the step to the front, which means the whole step. Pum, 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 pa, pum, 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 pa. We're drawing one direction, which is this one. Yeah? You're guiding the humans or the Orishas. You're showing them the way. Hey, this is where we are going. Once you finish here, you will go back, but till the middle, which means you're going to make only one set of the step, which means from here I turn and I do pum, 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 pum to finish here. Now I will go to the right. So I go pum, 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 pa, and then you go all the way. I think I went outside of the camera. And now you go all the way there. And then you come back. And you go all the way down. The idea here is like Olodumare sends you to planet Earth, guiding the Orishas or the humans. You are telling them, hey, this is the road. For one group, we have 4 groups of people. One group is going there. The story is deeper, but I'm just going to give you the 4 groups and the directions. So you're sending one group there. You're coming down to gather a different group of people. You're telling them, now you go there, you go there, you go there, and then you come down here, and you tell Olodumare, hey, I did my job. I'm done. Yes? So let's say that I'm taking this group of people. Kika, Chika, Tatikon, Kokinkon, that's the center. This is where you are going to divide them. So you continue. You're telling them, hey, you stay here. You, come with me. Kika, chika, kachika, chaka, kachikon, kokinkon. Go there. This is your journey. I'm coming back. Chika, chika, takon, kokinkon. Now you're going to take different group. Hey, you guys, I'm going to show you the way. Go there. Hey, you guys, I'm going to show you the way. Go here. And then there was a group that stayed. So you're taking them back to Olodumare. As an example. Vamos allá. You can draw lines if you want to, so that you follow the path, that you see where you're going. This is very important, that you become aware of the space that you are dancing. Because very often when we are in classes, we are not aware of the person that is next to us, of the space in general. So we are hitting each other, or we are dancing very squeezed. It's very important that you understand this is my space. This is my front, this is my back, this is my side, this is my side. So nobody's allowed to interrupt this space of mine. You step in there, you there, but this square is mine. Bien. I'm going to show it once. No, more than once. From here, from the back. I go. Chica, chica, chico, coquín. Oh, one more. Chica, chica, chico, coquín, co. Now you're going to open. Let's do it like this. It's gonna be easier. I'm gonna do it in this direction. So we go. Chica, chica, chico, coquín, con. Ta, chica, chica, chico, coquín, con. That's the first one. Now you're coming down there to the back from outside, not from inside. Out, open, go to the right side. You're making a half of a turn from the right shoulder. Tres, y, chica, chica, chicon, coquín, con. Now you came back. We go in there. Y, chica, chica, chicon, coquín, con. Right foot again. Open. Chica, chica, chicon, coquín, con. Left opens. Kika, kika, kikon, coquín, con. And now you closed. So it's not from here, but opposite. From here, here, and the way you started. Once again. Tres, I go and right and left, and I'm in the middle. Continue. And one, and cha, ta, ta, ta. I open from the right side. E, step, 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 step. I go there. Step, step, pum, con, coquín, con. Right foot goes there. Open, shap, pa, pam, pa, pam, pam. Left opens, boom, pa. Pa, pam, pa, pam, pa. Right closes. Boom, pa, pum, 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 pa. I'm going to make it like this. Let's make it interesting. Let's say this is where I start. This is front, where I have to leave one group. Here, I leave one group, and here I'm gonna leave the other group. There you go. And this is the center. Simple. This is the center. So if I'm here, I have my front, I have my right, and I have my left. But I'm doing it in this direction. My bad. This is where I start. Let me put it on line. This is your space. Yes? So, I'm going there. Vamos, y. I have to finish where the iya is. Tican, kakin, ka. Kachica, 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 chican, kakin, ka. I'm leaving one group here. Now I'm coming back to the center to pick up the others. Y, chuca, chuca, chican, I'm in the center. Now I'm going there to bring a bunch of people there. Y, chica, where the concolo is. Chica, I'm here. I'm leaving you here, you guys. I'm coming back there. Chica, 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 and kakin, ka. You're in the center. Take one more group. Chica, chica, chicon, coquin, con. We're going back from the right side. Open the right leg. Y, chica, chica, chicon, coquin, con. You're back in the middle. And with the left foot, because before I made only one step, so it was way too small. I was not able to bring the group all the way there. So now with the left, you initiate the movement. Takon, kogin, kon. Kachika, 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 chakta, and you finish it. See? More or less, this is about the space. Your front, your back, your right, and your left. So we try with the music. Let's give it a try. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna have fun. Listen to it. Vamos. You know, remember that it's fast. Vamos. 1, 2, 3, ah. Two sets here, yeah? You're in the center, and now you bring the other group there. Right foot, open the right shoulder. And with the left foot, you go front. See? Nice. One more time. Vamos. 5, 6, 7, 8. Center. Continue. Bring it back. Go send. Guide your group. Guide them. Yeah. Yeah. Eso es. Chica, chica, chica. Chicken, cooking, con. Ahí nada más. Wait. Was it fun or was it fun? It was, right? Second exercise for you is now to draw the diagonals. So now we go, if this is the center, you want to tilt, or let me be here, you want to go to the outside. So in between the okonkolo and the ya, up right, up left, down right, down left. Therefore, you're going to start here. We go, chica, chica, chicken, cooking, con. Open left. Yep. Or let's make it bigger. Let's make it more step. 2 for each direction. So we go pa, pa, pum, pum, ka. Pa, pa, yes, big diagonal. Now you go down. Cha, pa, pum, pum, pa. We go up there. Up diagonal left. E, cha, cha, pum, pum, pa. Come down. Pa, pa, pa. One more. E, pa, pa, pam, pam, pam. Left foot. 1, pa, pam, pam, pam. Right foot. Pa, pa, pum, pum, pa. And this is where you finish. The same place that you started. Diagonal. Up. Full 1. Halfway. Full. Full all the way down. Halfway. And you go down where you started. See? Let's give it a try. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be really fun. Ready to go. Vamos. 1, 2, tacón, coquí, a. Eso. From the right side. All the way down. This is the center. And continue one more. over the right side, E, and go all the way down. See? Let me see that. Vamos. 5, 6, 7. You go. E, all the way up. Bring it. Center. And go up. And down we go. Yes. You go all the way up. You come all the way down. First center. And you pass the center. Yes, and you come up, shung, shung, pa, and you go all the way down, sa, shungan kukunka. You got it? Let's do it with me. Let's see what happens. 1, 2, 3, ah. Eso. I'm making very small movements. E, 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 E. Sí, señor. Eso es. And now, this is the best part. You learn the directions that we have in the room. Now, my invitation to you is to create a few aids choreography where you're going to use the directions, the diagonals, the front, the back, the sides, all of it, plus embodying the energy of this Orisha. You know that he's playful, mischievous, a child or an old person. He's everything and he's everywhere. So my invitation to you right now is to embody this Orisha and play. You can even place things around the room and go in circle. Go, play with it. Be playful. And let's see what comes up. Let your interpretation flow. No one is going to judge you. And if you want to go a challenge a notch higher, dance it and record yourself and share it with me if you want to, or with the community. We're here to support you. So in any case, either with the community, which I hope you do that. If not, then share with me so I can celebrate you for that. Embody the Orisha, play with it, and have fun. That's the most important thing, to have fun. Thank you very much for showing up. Thank you for staying committed to this 7 days challenge. Thank you very much for giving me your precious time. I will see you again. We're going to be doing this more and more and more. Until then, really, from the bottom of my heart, I wish you a lot of peace of mind, which is very important. A rain of blessings to you. May Olodumare bring you blessings and nothing but blessings, and mucho ashe para ti. Nos vemos. Gracias.